Hey everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel. Ken and I have been so busy at the project house the last 3 weeks that my domestic goddess halo is definitely tarnished. We have been eating fast food and not very healthy, and I haven't been meal planning, and we're just in this rut that we need to snap out of it. So what I'm going to do today is get as far along that I can doing some meal prep. And I have a list here. I'm going to try to get some Oriental chicken salad done with a sesame honey dressing. The Panera Copycat strawberry spinach salad with the Poppyseed dressing. Brown Derby Cobb salad. A chef salad. Some of those Hawaiian slider rolls. I'm going to go ahead and make them, bake them off, and then the kids can just microwave them for a couple seconds. Broccoli cheddar soup, just some ham and cheese sandwiches with a fruit cup so they can either take it for a lunch or just have it as a snack. Cut up some fruit, some celery sticks, deviled eggs, and that's what I got on the list so far. So I'm going to see how far I can get along this list today. I do have to go to an award ceremony for one of my sons tonight, so might be cut a little short, but this is going to get me back on track, and then hopefully next week I can start meal planning again, because when I don't meal plan, it's terrible. Anyway, let's get busy. Let's knock this out of the park and get it done. Just polish the halo. My middle son said that the food situation in our home was dire. Anyway, let's get started. I'm actually doing meal prep today, but I wanted to come out and look at the daffodils. They're just starting to come in. Gorgeous. Last fall, I planted 5,000 daffodil bulbs, and they are starting to come up. For every daffodil that you see, there's probably 20 ready to blossom. Just beautiful. I just went for a walk to look at my daffodils, and they are gorgeous. And I'm just going to draw on them to get me the strength to get through this cooking session. But I just wanted to mention that I will put the recipes in the description box below. If you click on show more, it'll have them printed out. Or if I've done a cook with me video, I'll put the link there. These are some tried and true recipes that are really good. All right, let's get going. The first thing I'm going to prep is some Asian chicken salad. I have some meal prep containers with romaine that I've already sliced. And then on my board, I have shredded carrots, snow peas, some red bell pepper, cilantro, green onions, a little bit of red cabbage, some sliced water chestnuts, and some mandarin oranges. And I'm just going to put these salads all together. I have some Thai coconut chicken marinated and some tequila lime chicken. Ken's going to grill both of these on the grill. All I do is I add the grilled chicken to it with a little bit of cilantro. I'm going to add a little bit of sesame seeds to the top. I have some sliced almonds and some chow mein noodles. I'm going to add that to each of these salads as well. Just kind of tuck them in there on the side. To make the dressing, I have 1 cup of mayo, 2/3 cup of honey, 1/3 cup of rice wine vinegar, 4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I'm going to get this all mixed together and then add sesame oil to taste. This can be very strong, so just add a little, give it a taste. See where you like it as far as your flavor profile. I'm just going to start adding the sesame oil, and we'll taste it and see if it's strong enough. A little goes a long way. That's perfect. I'm happy with that. So that's how easy that dressing is. This is super yummy on that salad. I use containers like this to put the salad dressing in and then just seal up the top. And this is all meal prepped. For this salad, we have a bed of spinach, sliced strawberries, some blueberries, pineapple tidbits, blue cheese crumbles, and some shaved red onion. I'm going to go ahead and cut up some of the tequila lime chicken that Ken grilled. Next, I'm going to candy some pecans. In my Teflon frying pan, I have a half a cup of sugar and about 3 tablespoons of water. I want this to start caramelizing. I have it on medium heat. I added about a cup of pecan halves. I'm just going to cook this for a few minutes until the nuts get toasted and the simple syrup gets caramelized. And just pour it onto some parchment paper. And then I like to put a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And then just let this come down to room temperature. These candied pecans, that's what really makes this salad so good. All right. I just mixed the dressing in a mason jar. It has 2 cloves of garlic that I grated on the microplane, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 4 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup oil, a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 shallot finely minced, and a tablespoon of poppy seeds. I'm going to get this all mixed together. And that's what the dressing looks like. Delish. The strawberry spinach salads are all prepped. Put the dressing in these little containers and they're going in the fridge. I'm making these king Hawaiian sliders. I have ham and cheese. I spread the buns with a little bit of mayo and I'm going to get them into my baking dish. In my bowl I have 1/4 cup of melted butter, a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1.5 teaspoons of poppy seeds. I'm just going to go ahead and brush this butter on the top. We're going to get this into a warm oven. So that's what they look like, and the boys can just take a couple at a time and heat them up in the microwave for a few seconds, and they're delish. They've already been baked off in the oven, so just takes a couple seconds to heat them up in the microwave and they got a really quick lunch. I did another batch of these Hawaiian sliders and I divided them into 2 packages and they're going to go into the fridge. I've already baked them off and the boys can just microwave them. I went ahead and I meal prepped some ham and cheese sandwiches with some fruit on the side. Just a quick lunch for the kids or a snack. Well, I made some of that cheddar broccoli soup, the copycat Panera one, and I ended up getting 12 of these 2-cup containers full. So I got that meal prepped. There we go. I also prepped some chef salads. It has ham, turkey, Swiss, tomato, hard-boiled egg, and these are some fried onion rings. The topping, Ken loves those on chef salad. Well, thank you guys for spending this time with me, and just pray for me that I get back on track and that I can juggle all of the things that are going on in our life right now. Sometimes, you know, life just can be overwhelming. You know, you're doing things that you are enjoying, but it's just taking up a lot of your time, and you kind of have to just readjust, and that's where I'm at. So hopefully next week I can be better prepared and get my meal plan done and just have a better plan. We'll hit the reset button. All right, until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Happy meal planning, happy meal prepping, happy whatever. Just get it done. Okay, guys, see you later.